DirectFix.com presents the iPhone 6s and 6 battery adhesive installation and replacement. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave any comments or suggestions in the comment box below.
Okay, today we're going to show you how to properly install the adhesive on the iPhone 6 and 6s battery prior to installation of the iPhone 6s battery. So here we have the adhesives. You can note that there's two colors. There's like a reddish pink on one side and like a blue on the other. These colors may vary, but for this demonstration, this is what we're going to use. So once you have your battery out and you've cleaned out all the extra leftover adhesive, we're now going to install the adhesive on the battery prior to installing it inside of the iPhone. You're going to want to always start by removing the blue side, which sometimes might be clear, and you're going to remove it from the tip of the adhesive going backwards. So in this case, we're going to separate it from the top here, and you should see that it stays or sticks to the pink side or red side as you're pulling it off. Okay, and that's with the now removed. Okay, now that you've removed one side and exposed the adhesive, you're going to line up the bottom of the battery going down, face down onto the adhesives, and make sure that the arrows of the adhesive are pointing away from the connector end. So you're just going to lay it on there, and you're going to make sure that the black little lines are exposed. Once you've pushed that on there, it should look a little something like that. You can see that it's got it on there. You're just going to kind of make sure it's on there. Press it down a little bit. Okay, now there is two small little tabs of black that are still left. And you can see there's a little bit of a shield still protecting that adhesive. You're going to pull that little bit of shield up on both sides. So there's number one. And there's number two. And that will now allow you to go ahead and wrap the rest of the adhesive around the battery. So you can see here we're wrapping it around. That will give you those two tabs that if you never need to remove the battery again, you'll now be able to pick those tabs out and pull the adhesive out. So you can see here that now we have the two black adhesives wrapped around there, and it's leaving them exposed. Okay, now that we have those two tabs on there, now we're going to go ahead and remove the pink or red side of the adhesive, and you're going to do it very slowly. And this should leave the adhesive stuck on the battery and left for the installation. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of peel it off real slow. Okay, now that leaves the adhesive stuck on there. And now you'll go ahead and be able to install the battery back into the iPhone. We do have directions on removing the battery and directions on installing the battery in our other video sections. Be sure to look for those. But just to give you a quick demo here, you're going to go ahead and put the battery face down. You're going to line it up. And just go ahead and let it sit in there. And once you've connected the battery, then go ahead and press it down to make a final installation. Again, we have the rest of the directions in our directions section, and we'll try to post a link to the video for the battery directions at the end of this video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and please be sure to click the subscribe on the left of the screen and take a look at some of our other videos.